Hi, welcome to the Professional Certifications channel. In this video, we are going to explore utilization statistics with examples related to healthcare data. Healthcare utilization statistics. 1. Admission rates. 2. Discharge rates. 3. Length of stay, LOS. 4. Bed occupancy rates. Let's explore each with an example. 1. Admission rates. Definition. Admission rates measure the number of hospital admissions per 1,000 population over a specified period. Example. Suppose a city has a population of 100,000 people. Over the course of a year, there are 1,200 hospital admissions. The admission rate would be calculated as follows. Admission rate is equal to the number of admissions divided by the population, multiplied by 1,000. The admission rate is calculated by dividing 1,200 admissions by a population of 100,000 and then multiplying by 1,000, which equals 12 admissions per 1,000 population. 2. Discharge rates. Definition. Discharge rates refer to the number of patients discharged from hospitals over a specific period. Example. In the same city with a population of 100,000 people, suppose there are 1,150 hospital discharges in a year. The discharge rate would be calculated as discharge rate is equal to the number of discharges divided by the population, multiplied by 1,000. The discharge rate is calculated by dividing 1,150 discharges by a population of 100,000 and then multiplying by 1,000, which equals 11.5 discharges per 1,000 population. 3. Length of stay, LOS. Definition. Length of stay, LOS, is the average duration of hospitalization for patients. Example. Suppose we have data on the lengths of stay for 5 patients in a hospital, lengths of stay, 3, 5, 7, 10, 2 days. The average LOS is calculated as average length of stay, LOS, is equal to the sum of lengths of stay divided by the number of patients. The average length of stay, LOS, is calculated by adding the lengths of stay for all patients and then dividing by the number of patients. For example, if the lengths of stay are 3, 5, 7, 10, and 2 days for 5 patients, the calculation would be 27 divided by 5, which equals 5.4 days. 4. Bed occupancy rates. Definition. Bed occupancy rates measure the proportion of hospital beds occupied over a specific period. Example. Assume a hospital has 100 beds available. Over the course of a year, the total number of bed days, number of days each bed is occupied, is 27,000. The bed occupancy rate is calculated as bed occupancy rate is equal to the total bed days divided by the product of total beds and the number of days in a year, multiplied by 100. The bed occupancy rate is calculated by dividing 27,000 total bed days by the product of 100 total beds and 365 days in a year, and then multiplying by 100, which approximately equals 74%. If you found this content informative, please like, share, and subscribe.